Hello, my name is Mike Anello, and welcome to a Drupal Easy video quick tip on using the Inline Entity Form module. We'll start with the Drupal 10.2.6 site with the following modules enabled: navigation, Inline Entity Form, and address. In this video, we're going to see how to embed one content type's add-edit form into another content type's add-edit form. While we'll be using content types in this example, the same functionality is available between any fieldable entity types. The example we'll be using today is that of events and locations, where each event can have a single location. Since multiple events can have the same location, we want to have content types for both. With that in mind, we want to have an entity reference field on the event content type pointing to the location content type. With just a core reference field, if the author wants to create an event with a new location, they have to remember to create a new location prior to using it on an event. The Inline Entity Form module allows us to embed a location node add-edit form in the event node's add-edit form. The Inline Entity Form module provides a couple of reference field widgets to make this happen. In this example, we'll use a complex one, as it also provides the ability to select existing location nodes as well. Let's go ahead and configure the widget by overriding the labels to something a little bit more user-friendly, and by giving the option to allow users to add existing locations. After saving the widget's configuration, we'll go ahead and create a new event node where we can now see our new widget in action with the option to add a new location or an existing location. Adding a new location shows the full node add-edit form for locations as provided by the Inline Entity Form module. The Inline Entity Form module really shines when a custom form mode is implemented to simplify the embedded form. I've already created a custom form mode named Inline Location, as shown here. This custom form mode only has two fields being displayed. Going back to the Manage Form Display page of the event content type, we'll now modify the configuration of the Inline Entity Form widget to use our new custom form mode. Heading back to the Event Node Add page, we can easily see how streamlined the event's add-edit form now is. Let's go ahead and create an event. Once submitted, you can see that we now have an event node as well as a referenced location node. Thanks for watching this Drupal Easy video quick tip. My name is Mike Anello, and if you have Drupal training, development, or project coaching needs, please check us out at drupaleasy.com.